From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today. Yesterday wasn't too bad either, but starting to warm up. That'll be the trend over the next few days. Eventually, though, chilling back down for the weekend. But here's the good news. Even though we have rain in the forecast tomorrow through Thursday, the weekend's going to be dry. It's going to be chilly, and it looks to stay dry through Mardi Gras with the big warm-up. More on that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the big picture. As we look at that water vapor imagery, we have two weather makers on the horizon, one in the desert southwest. That's going to produce some showers this way as we head into tomorrow night as well, maybe early Wednesday. But the storm track is generally up toward the Great Lakes, and on its heels will be another system coming out of the Gulf of Alaska that's going to swing on through. That's going to be our Thursday weather maker. That one might be a little bit more potent. We were leaving you last week where we thought we'd see showers and some storms by midweek, maybe a low-end severe weather threat, and that still stands, but that severe weather threat perhaps on Thursday. So right now, storm system number one producing snow from Arizona, New Mexico on up through Colorado, especially at elevation. And look at all the winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, winter storm warnings in the pink here, and then high wind warnings. This is going to be a big wind maker for portions of West Texas, New Mexico, and then maybe on up through the plains with time. And it's going to get breezy around here for tomorrow as well, as the pressure gradient will be tightening up, meaning the lines of equal pressure will get closer together, and that's going to allow for breezy conditions. Generally fair skies, that's the way it goes into early this evening, but clouds will be on the increase from west, southwest to the northeast. So here's the graph model showing the cloud cover on the increase, temperatures in the mid 50s. And then as we head into tomorrow, you see these lines of pressure, they start packing up, so we'll start to see those winds gusting into the 30 to 35 mile per hour range. Few scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. It's not going to be a washout. We're going to see scattered shower activity. I'm going 60% on the rain chances because I think most of us see some rain that wets the ground, but nothing too terribly bad. Notice that frontal trough that moves in kind of backs up on us as we head into Wednesday. Much milder Wednesday morning in the 60s, and those showers mainly Wednesday morning, then into the afternoon hours, plain old breezy and warm once again. And then as we head into Thursday, here comes the next frontal system. That's going to produce a better chance of storms. We see that on the Euro, but those storms may not get cooking until just about over Lafayette or points to the east. This is where we might have a low-end severe weather threat, but we'll delineate that as we get closer to Thursday for sure. And then going into Friday, into the weekend, look at this, highs in the 50s. This is European model data here, and it's going to be chilly at night, 30s, but Saturday afternoon, more 50s, but again, dry for all the parade action we have through the weekend. Going into Lundi Gras, we're going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. And right now, Mardi Gras looking mild. Can't rule out an isolated shower. The model going for mid 70s, but I think we're going to see close to 80 degrees for your Mardi Gras. So it's going to be a warm one this time around, but cold for this weekend. So a little bit of everything. Everybody's going to have the sniffles come about a week from Wednesday. Temperatures tonight holding in the 50s across the board. Then for tomorrow, we'll favor low to mid 70s. No big changes in the temperature regime except for tomorrow night. We stay in the 60s, and then as we head into Wednesday, back into the mid 70s, and we'll be in the 70s through Thursday as well. Tomorrow, the main story will be the winds. You'll notice them perking up right around 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. These are sustained winds. If we take a look at the wind gusts, they'll be in the 10, 15 mile an hour range overnight tonight through daybreak tomorrow, but then we get that daytime heating and the mixing. We see lots of 30s, 35s showing up here across the area, so it's going to be a windy Tuesday afternoon. Those winds die down as that frontal trough gets near us as we head into tomorrow evening. So 57 the low in Lafayette tonight, milder overall. Clouds gradually increase through daybreak tomorrow, and then tomorrow back into the 70s. We'll go 72 the high with mostly cloudy skies. Those winds gusting at 30 to 35 tomorrow afternoon, and scattered showers arriving later in the afternoon. We see that on the TrueView forecast here with those showers moving in as we get close to this time tomorrow evening. Moving forward, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, we got the highest rain chances, maybe a few strong storms there. Clearing house looks nice, chilly and dry going into the weekend. And Mardi Gras, you're going to need an umbrella, not only catch beads, but maybe for sunblock as well. I don't think we're going to see many showers. And temperatures right there, we have upper 70s, but I wouldn't be surprised if we pushed into the lower 80s for Mardi Gras afternoon. So sunblock too.
Maybe we should get some throws. You know, some little
there you go. Yep. That's what we'll do.
Thanks, Rob.